In today's video, I'll show you how to import products in Wix. This is especially helpful if you're setting up an online store or need to add a large number of products quickly without doing everything manually. To begin, go to your Wix dashboard. This is where you manage all the key parts of your website. From there, navigate to Store Products, which is the main area for adding and managing items in your store. Once you're inside the Store Products section, click on More Actions. From the menu that appears, select Import. This option allows you to upload multiple products at once. Next, click Download CSV file. This will download a product template to your computer that's formatted specifically for Wix. Open the CSV file using Excel or Google Sheets and start filling in your product details. You'll see columns for product names, descriptions, prices, and other important information. Make sure everything is entered accurately, as this helps avoid errors during the upload process. After completing the file, you're ready to upload it back to Wix and import your products into the store. And that's it. You've now learned how to quickly import products into Wix and save hours of manual work. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Wix tutorials.